Alright, now first we looked at the properties of equality for adding. Now we're going to look at subtracting or subtraction. Property for subtraction. What that property says is that A equals B, alright, when we know that A minus C equals B minus C. Now again, don't get too caught up on the lettering. Let's look at an example to make sure we know exactly what's going on here. So an example would be, let's look at x plus 5 equals 7. Kind of going based upon the last example. The last example was x minus 5 equals 7. This is x plus 5 equals 7. Again, we want to solve for x here. So how do we do that? We're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So we subtract 5, those cancel out. I'm left with x equals 7 minus 5, which is 2. So we know that x equals 2. Now if we want to check that, if we want to check our a equals b here, we're going to plug in 2 back into our original equation. So we're going to say 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7 equals 7, right? Because 2 plus 5 gives us a 7, the 7 stays down here. Well, 7 equals 7, so checked off. That means x does equal 2. And that's how you would solve that based upon the properties of equality using subtraction.